morning, guys. Okay, so it is 10:30, and let me move you in a little bit. And I'm getting ready to go to meet my husband at the, well, I'm not sure if I'm going anymore, but to meet my husband at the mortgage company to turn in the application for that house that we saw. We made a decision, and we're gonna go ahead and try for it. You know, it's no guarantee that we'll get it. I was supposed to be there around 11:30 at the mortgage company to turn in our paperwork and things like that. But I don't know. I don't know if it's going to happen because he can't get a hold of the people there. He can't get a hold of them. Now, I don't know, guys. I'm having a little bit of a funny feeling about not about the house or the owner of the house, no, because you don't really deal with the owner. But the mortgage place that they're going through, they never seem to be available. You call and you call, and it's like nobody ever answers the phone. Nobody. And it just, nobody answers the phone. And see, when you go through a mortgage company to rent a house, if something happens, let's say the water heater busts, just to say, well, you have to go through the mortgage company and they will let the owners know. But it's hard to get a hold of them. You know, I don't know, once you do rent a property from them, if you get more of a direct line or something, I don't know. But right now, as it is, it's just very difficult to get a hold of them. And that's not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. So I was telling my husband this morning, I said, I don't know. I saw 2 other houses that I like, and it's 5-bedroom, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for 5 bedrooms, and those are very, very, very hard to come by. They are more available, more out of the city limits, but that's not the point. The point is for me to be closer to the kids' school, etc. So there's 2 other houses that came up. One just came up 9 days ago, or it's been on the market like for rent for 9 days, and then the other one's been on the market for 52 days. I don't know. But see, the one that's been on the market for 52 days does not allow for pets, and maybe they're very, very strict. Sometimes they say no pets, but if they get a picture of your dog and they're small enough, they'll go ahead and allow it. You just have to pay like an extra deposit for them. Anyways, I don't know, guys. I don't know. What am I doing today? I want to wear something blue. I don't know. I'm just not getting a good vibe on that house. Not the house, the mortgage place. It's not a well-known mortgage place either. So, I don't know. We'll see. But I was supposed to be my husband at 11:30, and now it seems like it might be moved to 4. And I wanted to work out this morning. That's what my plan was. And then he says, can I meet you at the mortgage company at 11:30? And we already filled out the paperwork, but just in case they need something more from us, we will, I'll be there and available. And it's on the other side of town, so it's, you know, it's not like down the street or anything. And I said, okay. So I decided not to work out this morning, and now I think I'm going to not gonna go because he hasn't been able to get a hold of them, and they told us to be there. Well, they didn't tell us to be there, but they said be there between 11 and 5 were there. But nobody's answering the phone, and he would have to leave his job to meet me there. I hate doing purple and blue because then it looks like a bruising. You know what I mean? I can make it like I have a bruise on my eye. But that's all. I'm using the Wonderland Model's Own palette, and it has really pretty blues. And I want to use, what blue do I want to use? I want to use this one, but I was going to use this color, and it's a lavendery gray color. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to check in with you guys this morning, and if I do end up going now, I'll let you know, but I'm already going to be dressed. Oh my gosh. It is 2 o'clock. I'm here at the park waiting for my son, and then I'll drop him off, and then I'll go get my daughter. It's going to be a crazy day. It's already been a crazy day. It's just been insane. My mom's here, and she came to fill out the application because we couldn't scan it to her because she's moving in with us. And it just wasn't going through, so she had to do a quick drive over here and fill out the app and gather all the information she needs. So she's at home trying to get her bank statements and things like that. And I'm trying to be there to help her, but I had to come get my kids, and I wish I could have recorded myself cleaning my house. I mean, it was like, that was a workout because I did 3 rooms in the kitchen like in a matter of 30 minutes. I just like a speed demon. And anyways, but the house is done. The house is clean. I just got to vacuum up, but I vacuumed last night, so I probably won't do it. It's just going to be crazy today because we're supposed to meet my husband at 4 o'clock at the mortgage company and turn in the paperwork and make sure everything's good to go. I'm still on the fence still, but here's the thing. Once we turn in the paperwork, we have to fork over the money order, and we'll be out that money. So even if I change my mind at that point, we'll be out that money. Yeah, because that's for like the credit check and all that good stuff. But right now, I'm just feeling very uneasy. I talked to my mom about it. I talked to my husband on the phone about it. I even asked him if he can come home and just, get off early. But he has a lot of pending things that just need to get done, and there's just no way. But he will try to leave a little bit earlier. But anyways, that's just my quick update for you guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and go for it. Like I said, I'll talk to the lady tonight, express all my concerns, and if I'm there and I just don't feel like it's something I feel comfortable with, I'll just walk out. You know what I mean? I won't sign anything. I won't turn in my money order or anything. So that's it. That's what I'll do with that. So my mom seems to be a little bit more comfortable with it. She says everything in writing, and I'm like, yeah, I know. That's it for right now, guys. I'm just waiting on my little guy, and then I'll be back to check in with you guys. I don't even know what I'm gonna do for dinner at this point. I mean, I'm not even gonna stress myself about it. I weighed myself this morning. I felt so light this morning. I've been burning like 2,000 plus calories a day with everything that I've been doing. I've just been moving so much, and I actually lost. I'm back down to 191.4. I think is my my weight. So that's pretty good. Anyways, my friends, I'll be back. Okay, the kids are starting to come out. I'll be back. Okay, I'm home. It is let me see. It is 3 o'clock, and my mom is having trouble filling out her application, and we have to leave here about 3:30 because she has to run to her bank. And I'm gonna have to meet my husband at around 4:15, and then I have to run all the way down the other side of town to pick up my son from tennis practice. What do you need?
My purse.
Her purse. So anyways, we're gonna, there we go. I'm trying to get a hold of my husband to see. There's a part on here that I don't even know how to fill out. Guys. And my oldest is leaving to the doctor's right now because I don't know if I told you, he's really sick, and his doctor is up where I live. He hasn't changed it yet. So, I don't know how I feel about my eye look today, guys. I don't really care for it. Okay, I'm just going to fill this out, and then I'm not going to be able to pack. I'm not going to be able to do the things that I had written down in my planner to do. But that's okay. It's just things happen, you know. But dinner is, I don't know what to do for dinner. We're probably going to have to eat out because I just don't see it happening. And I'm cramping. Oh, good Lord. Okay, that was hubby. I will be back. Hello? Oh, okay. So, I'm at the bank. Oh, my mom's inside. Trying to get her bank statement. And the reason why everything's so rushed and things like that is because my mom will not be available for the rest of the week to come do this. So it has to be done today. The place closes at 5. And I have to pick up my son at 4:15 to 4:30. I mean, it's not even in the same city. I'm no longer in the same town, rather. Clear across town. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to drop my mom off at the place with my husband's going to meet her there, and I'm going to have to leave. So hopefully they don't need anything from me. Probably not. I mean, I don't think they would, but I don't think they will, is what I want to say. But yeah, it has to be done today because my mom has to leave tonight. After she has dinner with us, whatever we're going to do for dinner, I don't even know. But she's going to leave, and so it'll be taken care of. And so that's the rush on it. Oh my gosh. And I had questions. That I wanted to ask the realtor before I handed over the forms, but I don't think that I will be able to be there. I don't think so. So I'm a little stressed out right now. Not terribly, because it'll all work out. I keep telling myself it'll all work out. It'll all work out. But it is a little stressful right now. There's a guy next to me watching me going like, what is she doing? Anyways, guys, I hope it doesn't take long for my mom to get the paperwork she needs, because it is packed at this bank. So hopefully she can go in and out, but I don't think so. Alright guys, I just want to check in with you. It is 3:45. We're headed to another house to look at. It is 5:16. And we're just going to look at it from the outside. That one that we're going to right now, that one is available for showing March 11th.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto South.
Look at these houses, guys. These are beautiful.
Yes, all the houses, Mika. Well, which one is the house?
It's this one right here. That one.
Oh, that's nice.
That one.
What's the backyard like?
I don't know, but
You want me to go check?
no, we got some
nosy neighbors.
Got some neighbors.
The little girl's gonna bust you out right now.
Look at her. She's ready to kung fu you right here. You see her?
She's dead.
She's serious.
It's two car garage, but you want
Not that one.
No?
No, this one. Tony's.
No, I know that, but you said that one's an open house, right?
On the 11th of March.
Yeah, that's Sunday.
That's this Sunday?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's fast going March. Wow.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, today's the 5th.
That's next Sunday.
That's this Sunday.
Oh
girl.
my God, it is.
No one's gonna get up there to chase them away. How are you gonna get up
Look
there?
at that crow.
You're gonna hit the car.
Look at that. Oh, whoa.
Bye, sister.
It's got a big crow's nest.
Think there's eggs in there?
Wow.
No.
So
They
that's
got a
the
big
house
front
right
yard,
there.
I know, look it.
That's the house right there.
I don't even know.
The other one.
Starting route to
Yeah. Okay, so this is a no.
East on Gold Court.
This is a
Then turn
no.
left onto
Look at that beautiful sun.
left onto US Highway 395.
Wow, that's gorgeous. Anybody with me? Anybody with me? wanted to see how it looked at night.
Oh,
And what do you think, guys?
Oh, that's nice.
Beautiful.
I love it.
Beautiful.
What is this?
Yeah. I'm so putting that on video right now.
that's next to the same.
Oh, look at that blue house. That's nice.
Yeah,
I know.
I like this house right here. Look at that one.
This one's nice.
That's the bathroom right
Yeah.
there. Oh, that has a gate.
It's
Look
not-
at this one, how cute.
Oh, they got swimming pool. We can go swimming.
Yeah, look at this one. It's simple but clean and nice.
It's a mountain.
Oh, I like that neighbor.
Oh, look at how nice that window is up on top of that door.
I know, huh?
I like that neighbor.
Should I go? Oh, it's dark. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna end my vlog here now. Oh, it's about 8 o'clock or so. Took a shower, took my makeup off, and my mom left already. Everything got done, everything got worked. Our, applications all got submitted. Yeah, so everything is on their way, and she said that we can hear from her anywhere between tonight to a week from now, but either way we would know. So the 2 houses that we passed by tonight are going to definitely be a no-go. One of them, it's too expensive, $1,700 a month. Too expensive. Big house, very, very big house. And then the other one, it's too far. It's still living where we're at. I want to get close to my kids' school. So, and then we went and we drove by to see the house that we want, or we put in for, just to see how it is at night and if anybody's outside or anything like that. And it was pretty quiet, but it's cold, so in the summer I don't know how it is. But anyways, that was it. So we got a lot accomplished. I did a lot today. I'm really wiped out. I was gonna do my nails. I'm not gonna do my nails. I'm just too tired, and I think I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos and relax. And I did have pizza. I don't know if I told you, but I think I did. I weighed myself, and I am 191.4. So let me make sure. Hold on a minute. Let me make sure, because I haven't written it down. I have it written down. Yeah, 191.4. So I'm down 3.4 pounds because I weighed 194.8 was the last time I weighed in. And let me turn on this light. And so that's good. I don't know how I'll be with this pizza, but that's okay. Sometimes it just works out that way. I feel really, really good though. Tomorrow I do plan to work out in the morning. I'm pretty excited about that. I really want to work out in the morning. I like how that feels to be able to get it out of the way. It's been now a few days since I've done the Jillian Michaels workout, so I really want to get that done. And then we'll see what the day brings tomorrow. Tomorrow I think it's just packing and eBay. That's it. We don't. Oh, there's practice tomorrow. My little guy has baseball practice, so I might have to go do that. Okay, guys, thank you for spending the day with me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys very, 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 very soon. If not tomorrow, I definitely will be back. Bring you with